Hello, hello. This video goes out to Alexander Saenko or Senko. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And what he said is that I'm not actually presenting histograms correctly, right? And that histograms, I should read it. Histograms should not have gaps between the bars. See more detail below. Histograms are used to represent the distribution of quantitative continuous data, and therefore should be no gaps between the bars. Bar charts are used to present, oh, I can't read today, represent qualitative or categorical data. These charts are used to compare variables rather than show the distribution of variables in data. Now, Alexander, I did not know that. So yeah, that is really interesting to me. Thank you so much for letting me know so that, people that I teach in the future, I'll actually teach them correctly. This goes out to everyone else. If there's something I'm teaching that is, maybe incorrect or I'm not saying it right, please by all means get in touch with me so that I can modify what I'm doing and that I learn something in the process. So what I thought would be a great idea, and this is dedicated to you, Alex, I'm going to show you how to actually do that in the histogram. So what I've done is I brought up the Superstore data, one of my favorites, and we're going to create just a simple histogram, and I'm going to show you how to reduce those gaps because it can be a bit fidgety if you don't know what you're looking for. So let's begin with a histogram. So I'm going to do a little lesson on bins, right? And we're going to do some bins on sales. So I want to see how many how many, let's say, I'm going to pick one, cities, right, have certain ranges of their sales. So I'm going to go sales, we're going to go create, and we're going to do some bins. Let's just do the suggested one, right? Let's bring that one in. Okay, and then we're going to count the number of cities. So we're going to go in here, and we're just going to go, I think it's count distinct or count. I can't remember. Let's check both. I can't remember. Either way, that's okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go full view, and I want to reduce these gaps. So how do I do that? Quite simply, there's kind of two ways that I would do it. Originally, I would do it some way like this by clicking on size and maximizing this. So you can see it's hit it all the way. But unfortunately, you see there's still a bit of a graphical gap there. So what you can do instead, and getting back to the point of Alex, is that he mentioned the word continuous data, right? So we can actually click on sales and go continuous. There we go. And that actually smooths it out and actually looks a whole lot better. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just modify this one. Let's make this 100. Right? There you go. Right? If I get rid of this just for the moment. There we go. So that, I believe, is what a histogram is now supposed to look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, Alex, thank you so much. Any more suggestions, I'm happy to hear it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.